Yeah, just riding around a little bit.
You know, must be better off when you hit the curve up there, go towards the handstand, and little mystery hole up there. I'm not sure if they're open today or not. But, that needs to be able to say that kind of so you can't miss it. It's got to be Volkswagen.
All right.
Coming down pretty good still.
Yeah.
She's like, it's hard to drive a truck down that mountain.
Oh god. I'm like, I've ran this so fast so many times, but I've never done it this early in the morning. I'm kind of scared now.
I know.
Thanks for ruining my day, lady. last week, and he shows me his ankle, dude. He's got this red mark, like, all the way down his ankle. He got stung by a jellyfish.
Oh.
Like, it looked horrible. And he's like, yeah, my little niece got stung like 4 times.
Oh my gosh.
I'm like, well, thanks for ruining my trip. He's like, everybody was getting stung.
I hear about that every time I go to the beach, but I mean, knock on wood, it's never happened yet, but...
Yeah. I remember getting stung as a kid a few times, but... I just can't have any fun this week.
Why?
Did you watch, you got me into the West Virginia mystery thing.
Yeah.
Unsolved mysteries. Did you watch the one where they found the body of the hitchhikers up here?
No.
There was this guy that's like, he was killing all these hitchhikers.
Up here?
He was in, Oak Hill.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I guess they found one of the bodies up here, like, tossed off the side of one of these overlooks or something.
When was that?
Let's say back in, like, the 70s or something.
Yeah.
There was, like, a diner that the guy frequented, I guess, and he kept meeting the hitchhikers there or something, and then he would, like, follow them and kill them.
Okay.
And they never did find the guy.
Wow.
That's such a good show.
Yeah, he does a really good job. Shout out to Sean McCracken.
Yes.
West Virginia. It's Mysterious West Virginia.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, really good channel on YouTube.
Yeah. Very talented guy.
drag marks there always amaze me.
Yeah. I haven't been up this way for a while. I can always keep going down towards Fayetteville.
Getting some nice shots of you, bud.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, nice shots.
Be looking out for the algae like we had at the creek crossing right now. I crossed that spot in the YXD and I swear it wasn't slick.
That's still nuts to me, dude.
Yeah. What were the odds? Oh, he totally sketched me out. I've been across the whole mountain with snow on the ground.
On a bike?
Yeah.
Oh my god. There's your mystery hole.
Yeah.
Welcome to Amstead, established 1891. Hawks Nest State Park.